Hey friends, Leigh Brown here, coming at you from our donation loading site right here in Concord, North Carolina, where we are sending items directly to the victims of Hurricane Helene in Western North Carolina. For those of y'all that have asked, every dollar that is being donated is being spent. I have shoppers on the way right now, actually on the way, they're out shopping, and I'm doing as many as I can. We actually just were able to purchase a whole pallet of chainsaws, so thank you to everybody who donated. We're sending everything to the places in need, and not just the big cities, but to these tiny towns, the forgotten areas. We hear you, we see you. We have drop-off and distribution sites. We have road access thanks to waivers from mayors, sheriffs, and the National Guard. And we are being very specific and targeted with what we're taking. The biggest need: diapers, water, food, protein, water, diapers, formula, batteries. And now we're also thinking about mops and brooms and gloves and the ways that people can start mucking out, but we're not even to mucking out stage yet. We are still looking for people. We are hunting for bodies. We have literally, not even making this up, naked kids walking around looking for their parents. Y'all, you have not seen anything like this. I pray that you won't see it. But instead of looking at the devastation, I want you to look at the good. We had an entire semi-trailer donated by the shoe show right here in Concord. It's full. We're going to do a second one. So I will have the links so you can donate dollars. Whatever we can't use here, we are going to put in reputable hands like the Baptist Coalition or Samaritan's Purse. But right now we are spending in every store we can find to send this directly to the mountains. So far, your dollars and your hands and feet have delivered 11 loads into the North Carolina mountains of water and formula and everything else. And we're going to send this out too. We're not stopping. These are our neighbors. This is my state, and if you don't live here, you probably want to, so it could be your state too, so let's take care of it. And if you're wondering where I am exactly, I'm in the parking lot of one of my local competitors, because this is what real estate actually looks like. We work together to make other people get what they want, and right now what they want is water and to know that somebody's taking care of them. So we are after this. If you want to send stuff, you can send a message. There is also an Amazon wish list where you can order stuff and have it sent here. We are just going to send it right back up, y'all. No moss growing on us. Every stitch of what here is getting delivered. And all I can say is thank you. And every time we've hit a roadblock, God has removed it. So we are going to keep on pressing through for our neighbors. No matter what you're donating, some people gave $1 and $5. I thank you for that. We had some people come up with just one item. We say thank you for that. The most important thing you can do is pray. Our neighbors need your prayers.